Good morning, dear student. As you comment that when plant cell structures will define, so dear student, today we will define a plant cell structure. Here, a well, neat and clean diagram of plant cell. Let's start their nomenclature, their nomination. So, dear student, the outermost layer of a plant cell is called a cell wall. Is called a cell wall, which made by cellulose. Which made by cellulose. Cellulose is a polymer. Cellulose is a polymer of carbohydrate or glucose. Means the outermost layer of a plant cell is called cell wall, which made by cellulose. The work of cell wall is to maintain external shape of a cell and protect the internal part of cell from the external environments of chemical. See here, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the internal skeleton of a plant cell, which work like a bone and protect structure of cell from the external फ्रैक्शन. मतलब बच्चों, जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम होता है उसे सेल का अस्थि कहते हैं या इंटरनल स्केलेटन कहते हैं. जिस प्रकार से हमारे शरीर को या हमारे शरीर का स्ट्रक्चर जो है वह बोन से बनता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार से एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम सेल के इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर को बनाने का कार्य करता है तथा उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट भी करता है. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम दो प्रकार के होते हैं. फर्स्ट होता है बच्चों स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एंड सेकंड होता है बच्चों रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कब होगा? व्हेन राइबोसोम आर नॉट प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, दैट टाइम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज कॉल्ड स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. मतलब बच्चों, जब एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के सरफेस पे राइबोसोम नहीं होंगे तो उस समय एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम की जो सरफेस होगी स्मूथ होगी, चिकनी होगी, इसीलिए इसको स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कहेंगे. और जब राइबोसोम मौजूद होगा, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं ये सब राइबोसोम है, ठीक है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे उसे? रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. हियर दिस इज द these structure, have you seen red color? It is called a Golgi body. It is called Golgi body. The main function of Golgi body to produce the lysosome, which kill the bacteria, viruses which enter inside the cell of plant body. Okay, here have you seen, this is called mitochondria, and generally it is called powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because here oxidation reaction takes place and energy will produce. In mitochondria produced energy. Mitochondria produced energy. That's why it is called a powerhouse of the cell. Next structure here, students, it is called chloroplast. Chloroplast or chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. It is called kitchen of the cell. Kitchen of the cell. Why it is called kitchen of the cell? Because in chlorophyll photosynthesis reaction will take place and food material will formed. So it is called kitchen of the cell. Here in chlorophyll, which reaction? Photosynthesis reaction takes place. Photosynthesis reaction takes place and food material will form. Reaction have you see 6CO2 plus 6H2O, sun energy, ठीक है, sun energy have you found C6H12, C6H12O6 ग्लूकोज, यानी यहाँ पे किसका निर्माण होता है बच्चों? ग्लूकोज का, जो मंड या स्टार्च के रूप में एकत्रित होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट हियर स्टूडेंट, have you seen this is ... structure. It is called protoplasm. It is called a protoplasm. This is the liquefied material present inside the cell. It is called protoplasm. And the liquid material which are present in nucleus is called a nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. And both together, एक साथ दोनों को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? Together is called a cytoplasm. यानी cytoplasm made by two parts. First protoplasm, second nucleoplasm. Next here students, part, this is the large part around the nucleus is called a vacuole. Vacuole. In Hindi it is called rectica. Vacuole. Okay, it filled by liquid material and some inorganic materials are also present here. Okay, next part student, which is the most important part of the cell, this is, it is called nucleus. Nucleus are also called master of the cell. Why it is called master? Because nucleus controlled all activities of a plant cell, Inside the nucleus you have seen a blue color dot structure. It is called a nucleolus. And here you have to see, this is thread like structure which is called a chromosomes. Chromosomes is the hereditary material which transfer characters, traits of parent one generation to another generation. So here you have to see well labeled diagram of a plant cell. Thank you.